Hello, my dear students, subject Social Studies, Class 5, Chapter number 3. My dear students, today I'll read the question and answers for you. So please try to listen the question and answers carefully and note it down in a copy with correct spelling and words. See, answer the following question. Number 1. Why was India called the Golden Bird? India was once called the Golden Bird as it was a prosperous country. It had a lot of riches, mineral wealth, and spices. Why was India called the Golden Bird? India was once called the Golden Bird as it was a prosperous country. It had a lot of riches, mineral wealth, and spices. Number 2. What was the situation of the Indian rulers at the time when British came to India? When British came to India, they were in great need of raw materials for their factories in England and also needed a market to sell their finished goods. They wanted to take control of the entire country and its wealth. India was divided into small kingdoms and the rulers were fighting amongst themselves. What was the situation of the Indian rulers at the time when British came to India? When British came to India, they were in great need of raw materials for their factories in England and also needed a market to sell their finished goods. They wanted to take control of the entire country and its wealth. India was divided into small kingdoms and the rulers were fighting amongst themselves. Number 3. Why were the merchant and farmers unhappy with the British rule? The merchant and farmers were unhappy with the British rule because the Indian merchants and farmers lost their income as they were forced to grow crops such as indigo and cotton, which the British used as raw material in their factories. They purchased this at very low price. The merchant and farmers were unhappy with the British rule because the Indian merchants and farmers lost their income as they were forced to grow crops such as indigo and cotton, which the British used as raw material in their factories. They purchased these crops at very low prices. Number 4. What was the result of the revolt of 1857? Answer. The result of the revolt of 1857 was that the Indians were defeated, but now they came together as citizens of one country. The revolt alarmed the British and now the British government decided to take direct control of India. The British government appointed a viceroy who ruled India on behalf of the British Queen. The result of the revolt of 1857 was that the Indians were defeated, but now they came together as citizens of one country. The revolt alarmed the British and now the British government decided to take direct control of India. The British government appointed a viceroy who ruled India on behalf of the British Queen. So in this way, you'll try to note down these question answers in a copy with correct spelling and words, and you try to read this at home. Thank you.